Come on.
Hey Ray, what's the model?
It's F-104.
104, the Starfighter, right?
Yep. Scares the crap out of me every time I fly it. Alright, let's go.
It's like Frank's F-16. No throttle on this thing moves.
Well, that's the FMS fan. I gotta touch up my fins.
Hey, can we get a quick like 3-4 minutes before you go?
Whoa, 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 prop. Motor. Everything ejected. That the motor?
Yes, the motor.
Well, it's all intact. There you go. Alright, go ahead. Now the wind is almost gone now. Enjoy it while we can. Go.
China cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Oh, is that Happy Bird again? I like those pictures Sharon got. Yours and mine.
Low pass.
Alright.
Alright, low pass from the right.
I'll be behind you. Thing's fast.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I gotta do a real high-speed dive to keep up with you on that thing.
Low pass from the right.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's my 30C pack, so it's not crazy fast. It's plenty quick. You don't realize it when you're flying it. It's faster than you think. I'll land right on the timer with this one. So I'm pushing it this way.
Time remaining 1
Want to do one
minute.
together? Alright.
Low pass from the right.
I've been full throttle this whole flight. That's the first time I pulled it back. Okay, landing from the right.
9,
Landing behind him.
8, 7, landing flat, 6, gear down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Yeah, wind's perfect right now.
Flaps up.
Oh, look at that! I can wheel it now with the SMS band.
Lighter. Cool.
God, whenever I fly this thing, I never get the sky to myself. That's not including you.
No, yeah, I know what you mean though, because you can't really enjoy yourself with the way other styles are.
And with you, I mean that's a different story. But like,
Isn't everybody else?
we know what we do.
Yeah.
Let's get the
Look at the difference in size. That's like a 90mm size. No, it's amazing.
Okay, that's what we're starting to move.
Yep.